Hi guys, welcome to our channel VBA Coder. Today we are going to see how to create a 3D area stacked 100% chart in VBA Excel. And if you're new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel VBA Coder. So let's get started. First, as you can see that this is the raw data through which we are going to create a 3D area stacked 100% chart in VBA Excel. And first we will be seeing the output. As you can see, the macro button has been assigned with a sub procedure to create this type of chart. First we will be seeing the output of our chart, and then we will be looking into our VBA code to understand and have the deep understanding and the explanation about the code written behind it to create a 3D area stacked 100% chart in VBA Excel. So let's get started. So as you can see that this is our 3D area stacked 100% chart in VBA Excel, and this is how our output will look after writing a couple of lines of code. So let's see what all codes has to be written to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So as you can see on the screen that we have our VBA editor, and this is our sub procedure to create a 3D area 100% chart in VBA Excel. So the first step to create this chart is to select a single cell inside our data. As you can see, this is our data, and I have selected any single cell inside our data, which is C5. Once you have selected the single cell, what we are going to do is we are going to write this line of code to create a 3D area stacked 100% chart in VBA Excel. Now let's see what this line will do to create this type of chart. So the first step is to write active sheet dot shapes dot add chart 2, and inside the brackets we have to give some parameters to create this type of chart. So we will be seeing what are these parameters to be given. The first parameter which we have to give is chart value. Remember, each and every chart has its own value to create. And for our video, which is 3D area stacked 100% chart in VBA Excel, we have the chart value of 276. Once you have given the chart value, we are going to give the another parameter, which is the chart type. So in this video, we are going to create 3D area stacked 100% chart. For that, the chart type is Excel 3D area stacked 100. Once you have given this chart type, the next step what we are going to do is we are going to give the position parameters like top and left to place our chart over here. Once you have given this, what we are going to do is we are going to close the brackets, and then what we are going to do is we are going to select. So once you have written this line of code, your chart will be automatically created, but there is more to do inside the created chart. So what we are going to do is we are going to select the chart once created. Once you've created this, then what we are going to do is we are going to select the chart once created, and once selected, now we are going to use a with statement below it. So this is the entire with statement which will help you to format your chart as well as present your chart in a better way. So to do that, we are going to write with active chart, and then below that we are going to first set the chart title inside our chart. So to do that, we are going to type dot has title equals to true. So this line of code helps VBA to understand, okay, we have a chart type inside our chart, or you can say a chart title inside our chart. Once you have given the chart title, which is dot has title equals to true, you are going to give the chart name. And how we are going to give? We are going to type dot chart title dot text equals to, and then your name of your chart title. For this video, I have given as 3D area stacked 100% chart in VBA Excel. Once you have given this line, your chart title will be added to your chart once created. And then what we are going to do is we are going to set some elements and delete the axis value over here. So as you can see, the elements are, first we have removed the grid lines, and then we have shown the data labels, then we have set our legends on top. After that we have removed the wall and the floor inside our chart. As you can see that while creating this chart, there will be a shade given in the background and at the bottom of your chart. If you don't want, then you can also remove that using this code. Once we have removed that, we are going to set the data table inside our chart. Once we have set our data table, then we are going to delete the value axis, as we have shown the data over here, so the value axis is not required. So these all things has to be done using this code. So we are going to do how we can do using this code. First, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot set element, and inside the set element, inside the brackets, what we are going to do is we are going to give a parameter called MSO element primary category grid lines none. This will remove the categorical grid lines inside your chart. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to set another element which will be showing our data labels. So to do that, we are going to type dot set element, and inside the bracket it will be MSO element data label show. Once you have given this, your data labels will be shown inside your chart. And then we are going to set another element using dot set element, and we are going to set our legends on top. So as you can see, our legends are on top, and we are going to give the parameter inside dot set element is MSO element legend top. Once you have given this, then what we are going to do is we are going to set another element. So these two lines or these two elements which have set, this will help us to remove the chart wall and the chart floor over here. The shades behind your chart and below your chart will be removed. So to do that, we are going to set an element called dot set element. Inside it will be MSO element chart wall none, and then it will be dot set element. Inside the brackets it will be MSO element chart floor none. Once you have given these parameters, your chart and your wall and floor chart, or you can say floor, will be removed from the shades behind your chart and below your chart will be removed from your chart. Once you have given this, now what we are going to do is we are going to set another element to show this data table inside the chart. So how we are going to do, we are going to use dot set element, and inside the set element we are going to say MSO element data table show. Once you've written this line of code, automatically the data table will be created inside your 3D area stacked 100% chart in VBA. And then as you can see that over here we have removed the categorical grid lines. Now we are going to remove the value grid lines. So to remove the value grid lines, we have to set dot set element. Inside it, inside the brackets, we are going to give MSO element primary value grid lines none. Once you have given this, your value grid lines will also be removed from your chart which you are creating. And then at last what we are going to do is we are going to remove the axis value. As you can see that the data labels are already given to our chart, so there is no need of showing the axis values over here inside our chart. So to remove that, we are going to give the command as dot axis inside the bracket excel value dot delete. Once you have written this line of code, automatically the axis will be deleted. And after this, you're going to use end with statement to end your with statement which you have started over here. Now, if you have followed till here, then congratulations, you have learned how to create a 3D area stacked 100% chart in VBA Excel. Now, as you can see that we have selected our chart prior while creating our chart. So to deselect our chart, we are going to select any empty cell inside our worksheet. So as you can see, F4 is my empty sheet. So I have selected using range F4.select. Once you have given this, your chart will be deselected and end the sub over here. Now, congratulations, you have learned how to create a 3D area stacked 100% chart in VBA Excel. And if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Till then, have a great day. Also, if you want to learn more about the visualization, then please do visit to our channel page BPO Coder. Till then, have a great day. Bye from BPO Coder.